morning. Today we were going to do the crab off 5,000, but we decided there's a few of us here and the water's going to be pretty crazy with a lot of people, so we're just going to keep it pretty low key. We're going to go out and feed the crabs anyway for lunch, and then we're going to do a bit of a raft up. We're here in Mandurah. Aussie day, can you tell? Flag at the back. The waters are hectic at the minute, so we just want to keep it a bit low key. We'll do the crab off 5,000. I don't know, maybe next week or something like that. I'm not sure, but we'll definitely get it done. We want to see who the crab master is. But for now, we're going to shoot out, just get a feed of them, and then come back. How you going, my love?
Yeah.
Ready for a good day?
I think so.
Gonna catch some crabs?
I'll try.
The good kind. Oh, there's so many people crabbing this morning. I'll be surprised if there's any crabs left for us. Oh, there's so many boats. Crazy. Okay, so the plan is we're gonna get a few crabs for lunch, and then we're gonna go to a raft up here in Mandurah with about 1 million other boats. It's something that happens every Aussie day here. And yeah, we'll get on the beers. But until then, fly and feed. The water's a little bit murky, so we're just gonna put the pots in. We're gonna still jump in and try and get them, but yeah, visibility might be the issue. But we'll definitely put the pots in. We'll bait them up now, and then we will jump in as well. I only got three pots, but I'm hoping to get more by hand than by pots, because it's so much fun. It's super fun to catch them by hand. So these
What do you got there?
These are just tuna heads. You can use anything. You can use chicken, any kind of fish, meat, anything. They're not fussy. They just want to feed. The tuna heads are quite easy to get a hold of in any bait shop. That's one. Oh, let's chuck it here. Here's as good a place as any. Cool. There's a lot of boats out, so yeah, we've got to be careful we don't run over anyone's pots or pick up the wrong pot or anything like that. We don't want to be diving on other people's pots. We found in the past that a lot of the big ones are sort of just off the pot, so when we jump in to dive for them, they're literally just sitting off the pot, so that's why we dive on our own pots. And we just place them probably 20 to 50 meters apart. There's no real set placement.
Yeah, baby.
Getting a bit shallow here, which is good. Next one, probably should get more pots. Anyways, I have more fun diving for them, that's for sure. We got a bit of a feed yesterday as well. We went out yesterday afternoon. Yeah, we got what, eight or nine I think we got. They were decent size too, so it was good. We got them for today as well for a bit of a feast. We've got a whole lot of friends coming over to Risey's joint, so it's gonna be a good day. Good day. There's no real weed around here, so our chances might be a little bit, yeah. But no excuses, we'll get some. Alright, I think we're going to anchor up. We're in the vicinity of the of all the pots, so we're sort of done like a big circle around us with the pots, and then we'll just dive at the same time, and then we'll pick them up on the way out. Alright, so I'm going to dive in. We've got a resident massive stingray. It's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen actually. It's about a metre and a half, 2 metres almost in width. That's alright, as long as we don't go near him, he'll be right. So we just use a welder's glove. Those little nippers, they've got a little bit of power in them, so welder's glove, and so they can't reach around and halfway up your arm. Snorkel, fins, in the water, grab them. Flav's gonna be the esky girl and put them in the esky, keep count. We're only allowed 10. Yeah, all right, let's jump in the drink. All right, let's grab the dive gear. You gonna go in, babe? You don't think so? After seeing a massive stingray just go past? Oh, the gear's here if you need it, my love. He's a bit bigger, that guy. He's good. Nice coloured bath for him. Oh, usually I see a lot around underneath the sand, but they're not there today. Oh, so far anyway. Oh, just keep looking. How you going there, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's only a little bubba.
Little baby. Happy days.
Alright, not a lot of luck where we are. The water's real murky, so it's very hard to see them. They see you coming. They got better vision than I do in murky water, that's for sure. So we're just going to pick up the pots and we're going to move a different location and just hope that that water's a little bit more visible. And yeah, fingers crossed. We've only got 2 at the minute, and those guys, I don't know if they've got much more. So yeah, we'll pick up the pots and move location. You ready, babe? roll.
Hold on.
Oh. Well, I reckon you might be close. We'll measure him. Oh, he's just short. Ah, you can go back. Oh, okay. Oh, there's one.
He's small.
Yeah, he's tiny.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't
Nah, he's tiny. Back you go, buddy. Phew. All we have done is just move up about 200 meters and the water is super clear, so fingers crossed we can see him a bit better this time. We did see a couple hanging around over here, so we've dropped the pots around that area. Flav's going to actually get in as well. A bit fresh, that wind's just popped up a little bit. It's a bit cold once you get out of the water. Good work, bud. Very small. Alright guys, we're going to have a beer here, then we're going to pull the pots in, cruise back. We've got friends at Risey's place waiting for us, and then we'll have some lunch, cruise out, raft up, have a few more of these. I think it's going to be a good day. Alright guys, we're going to end the video right there. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. We didn't go on a raft up because the wind got up in the end, but we're pretty happy here at Risey's joint. Boats are all moored up. We're going to end it there. Anyways, we're going to let the festivities continue. Australia Day, happy Australia Day to everybody, and yeah, we'll see you again soon. Cheers. G'day guys. New to BlissNiques, we have our t-shirts available from medium to extra large. These are screen printed to last longer and are super comfortable. If you'd like to support our channel, hit us up on Instagram, BlissNiques, $45 plus postage. Cheers.